Hello， 大家好啊 ！Welcome to the Art of Hong Kongese by Dummy。我係 Dummy，I'm Dummy。
Below is a bunch of vocabs on kitchen appliances, as well as cooking methods and ingredients. Hopefully, when you have to talk about cooking stuff or talking about kitchen or anything related to food, you'll find these vocabs helpful. Let's start with kitchen appliances or tools. 廚房用具or 廚房用品 kitchen 廚房 tools or equipment 用具 or 用品 spoon 匙羹 fork 叉 knife 刀 chopsticks 筷子 cutting board 砧板 soup scoop or a ladle 湯殼 scissors 鉸剪 wok spatula 鑊鏟 aluminum foil 錫紙 cling wrap 保鮮紙 kitchen paper towel 廚房紙 coffee machine 咖啡機 toaster 多士機 blender 攪拌機 kitchen ventilator 抽油煙機 ventilation fan 抽氣扇 kitchen cabinet 櫥櫃 fridge 雪櫃 freezer 冰格 fridge regular slot 保鮮格 rice cooker 電飯煲 kettle 水煲 or 水壺 tab for water tab 水喉 sink 星盤 stove top 爐頭 cooking stove 煮食爐 oven 焗爐 microwave 微波爐 air fryer 氣炸鍋 dish detergent 洗潔精 sponge 海綿 or 百潔布 Now let's move on to cooking ingredients or methods 煮食材料 cooking methods 煮食方法 ingredients 材料 材料 method 方法 salt 鹽 sugar 糖 oil 油 soy sauce 豉油 oyster sauce 蠔油 black pepper 黑胡椒 or 黑椒 white pepper powder 胡椒粉 uncooked rice 米 fish sauce 魚露 cornstarch 豆粉 or 生粉 or 粟粉 or 太白粉 garlic 蒜頭 minced garlic 蒜蓉 ginger 薑 green onions 葱 shallots 乾葱 onion 洋葱 cilantro 芫茜 pan fry 煎 fry 炒 cook 煮 deep fry 炸 slow simmer 燉 stew 燜 bake 焗 steam 蒸 braise 煨 stuff for food or ferment for wine 釀 釀 ，quick fry or stir fry， 爆 roast， 烤 smoke， 分 mix， 拌 or low scald or lightly boiled， chuck stew but in a larger pot and heat at a certain temperature， 燉 the soaking cooking method. Essentially, this method is by soaking at a certain warm temperature to cook the food. 浸
That's it for today. If you like what I do, like and subscribe to my channel. Comment below to tell me what you want me to talk about. See you next time at The Art of Hong Kongese by a Dummy.